Disturbing video posted online this week shows a young man armed with what appears to be a high-powered rifle knocking on a front door in the middle of a Detroit neighborhood. Jermont Terry was in that East Side neighborhood tonight, now at police headquarters with more on what we know about the man and this video. Jermont?
Devin, that man came to the house with a purpose, carrying something, and tonight Detroit police would like to know if it was a real weapon or not.
It's a knock to the front door of a home, and this guy is determined to get someone to answer. But if you look closer, you can see this man has what appears to be an assault rifle across his chest. Patricia Harris watched the guy walk up to her neighbor's porch.
It's strapped across his chest, and he walked up on the porch and started knocking on the door and knocking on the window. Then he went around the side, and then he went to the back, and then he came back out, and he walked out there. And
Patricia says the man sat out front for 2 hours, waiting for someone to come home.
Did you call police?
No, I just sat here because if I had went in the house, he'd have said, "Oh, she probably going there to call the police." I didn't want to alert nothing, so it's on the doorbell.
But Detroit police say that isn't enough, adding they didn't get a single call about the man lurking on the porch in the neighborhood of Phillip and Court. Police stress it's unclear from the video if what's around his neck is a gun or not, but it's believed he wanted to intimidate whoever was inside the home. DPD reminding people if you see something strange on your security camera, you must report it. Don't just post it online. In this case, it appears the man came to the house demanding payment for cutting the lawn recently, but new tenants just moved in.
Yeah, the girl that stays there told me we didn't even ask him to cut our grass.
And Patricia tells me that that man came back the very next day, which would have been yesterday, knocked on the door again and demanded $25. We're told that the homeowner gave the man $25, did not know him. He took off. He didn't have that weapon or what appeared to be the weapon with him on that day. Detroit police, they are stressing, if you see something, you must say something, because in this case, no one called 911. Reporting live tonight, Jermont Terry, Local 4.